So welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic hobby game, and this is part 2, so let's get into the video. Okay, so first you want to start by creating a folder called obstacles. There's nothing in it, so the checkpoints, we did checkpoint 1 which contains so many parts. So you want to take obstacles and put it in workspace. Now, I'm gonna delete it and show you again. So, sound service, I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click sound, and you wanna rename it to RBBG. Okay. So in RBBGM, you have to go to here into the sound ID. So, okay, to do that, first you need to go to first you need to go to Roblox. After you go to Roblox, you wanna just log in. And after you log in, you wanna just go to create. Now you wanna go to you wanna you wanna go to audio, which yep here it's in here. So now you wanna just go to downloads and select your phone. It's free for my obby. So estimate price. Okay, purchase for 38. So for this, if you don't have any Robux, which I don't, clearly, you can upload. So you just wanna search. Um, wait, that carefree Kevin McLeod in library. Go to audio. Wanna go to audio. Here it is. Favorite 160. Let's just preview it. Okay, this is good. You're gonna really get it. You're gonna select this, go to your studio, go to this obby and playing game. Sound ID is this. Of course, yeah, over. What did I do? Stop. Okay, so and also make sure this is a loop. This is loop. And okay, now let's try out the game. Oh, yeah. Let's try out the game. Let's go to home and no. Let's click play. So let's see. So it's working, as you can see. As you can see, it's working, and so yeah, you're gonna leave the game. And there you go. You added your background music into your video, and now you wanna go to the obstacles. Actually, not right now. So you wanna just make a part. No. So wait, what? I got the free scale back. How is this possible? Dude, literally, how is this possible? Oh wait, yeah, Roblox. Oh my god. Okay. So you wanna just take it here, it up. Now you wanna scale it. You don't wanna make it too long, so like that. So as you can see when you go. Oh wait, yeah. Sorry about that. So you're gonna make this spot. You're gonna rename this spot to anch anchor color. Okay, anchor obstacle holder. And I just put it in the obstacle. Now, what you're gonna do is, oh no, not the toolbox. So after you do that, you know, just click on it and anchor. I wanna play. Let's see. Yep, again, there you go. So you have your obstacle holder right here. First obstacle should be not a kill brick because I don't want kill bricks. So I'm just gonna scale it a little bit more. Yep, this looks good. So now I'm gonna add a path which I can move. And also I'm recording this in 2022. So I'm gonna just drag it here. And you're gonna color this. Wanna color this. Alright, I'm gonna make it neon. Duplicate it and move it here. Duplicate it, move it here. Then make it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna move it a little bit here. Yeah, I'm gonna scale this out. And you wanna select the three parts. I'm gonna select the three parts and make them anchored. So I'm gonna change the color of this to anything. I'm gonna make it red. Actually, I'm gonna make it. Let's try any color. If you want the green, you can just put a green. But I don't think that that shows any thing. So I'm gonna choose a yellow for this. I'm green. This a forest green. Select this. Select yellow. Select this. And select anything you want. I'm gonna choose red. So okay. Now you wanna make any of these not like gonna take a can collide of any of these, any two of these. So you can see now go to can touch and can collide. Can touch. Actually, I'm gonna keep for this and for this and for this too. I'm gonna remove. It's not that much of an obby right now. Can touch. You wanna remove can touch. You see this, but for this, you wanna see with this type. So when you play, oh wait, Is this anchored? No. So once when you're playing, hey, no, yeah, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, once maybe on how them made it, maybe their work. Can touch is the only move for them. Okay, oh yeah, so yeah, I have, yeah, this one I have to take a can collide off. Same for this. Yeah, and can collide and can touch off. So I'm gonna name it red killer one. We can make this yellow yellow victory one. Name this green killer one. So I'm gonna take all these and put them in the kill bricks. And also the spawn location need to put in the checkpoints. So let's see if it's working. Yes, you can see it's working. So as you can see, it's taking a lot of time to respawn. So we need, if you want a quick respawn, there'll be YouTube tutorials on that. But for now, we're just making a basic obby, which we can maybe like ban. So so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do another stage and leave for the video. So I wanna duplicate this, move it. No, no, move it here. Now here. Now gonna make this a little bit colorful. So I'm gonna make it maybe okay, and I can't come up with a color, but maybe we can make it a little bit this color, and same to this one, so that a little bit they're looking a little bit good. So okay, now you wanna make this anchored, which it already is because we just duplicated it. So um, name it to soup. Okay, now so we're gonna close skill breaks, close the obstacles, close checkpoints. So now it's clean. So nope, no, we're not. Okay, so now what I wanna do is okay. I'm just okay. To for this stage, we're gonna do some, maybe jump over the balls thing type of thingy. So let's get started. So I'm gonna make a part. Actually, no, not that part. Material should be um, maybe maybe normal. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna delete this part. Okay, sphere. I'm gonna color. Actually, we're gonna make it colorful after some time. So I'm gonna make it a little bit closer. make some down jumps. So I'm gonna fast forward it. Um, okay, what I'm gonna balls. I'm gonna make this color. I'm gonna maybe I'm gonna make it colorful. I'm gonna make it orange. Make it blue. I'm gonna make it red. Okay, so I'm gonna make this color this. I'm gonna make this and a little bit of this. Okay, just wait. Okay, I'm gonna make this color. I'm gonna make, I don't know where. I'm gonna make this color a little bit of a maybe green or brown is okay too. I'm gonna make it this color. Make it this. Make it random colors. I'm gonna make it cyan. Make this. No. I'm gonna make this color with I'm gonna balls. So also so here you made your no checkpoint army. This is half of the series of your no checkpoint obby. So thank you for watching, everyone. I'm gonna see you in the next one. So bye bye.